sika kɔkɔ ɛninti me medical culture say aban say ye NDC MPP say me te wo parliament say ye kwagye bosia pɛ na me hu so munye serious men kan che me say kuro bia agye bosia because enya wo ni US pɛ na US kuro be na enje bosia US o gye bosia o de ye ni kuro ni yie ema munya so mfaso se China kwagye bosia obegye sa bosia no na ode aye kuro ni yie nti memfa ho compare say US kura because wunya US onye Japan onye sa kuro na omutimi gye bosia no de abo mu ho bra no wunya bi diama ene ye complaining ni say ye gye na akoye ka amayen because ye ntimi mfa bosia no ntimi nya de pa this ye be gye die ni adase nti makatro say omen ye hia si ye be kwa kwagye bosia ene aye kase efri se sika ne wa ha ya ye ho extensive analysis wa ha dada na me ka ba be si GOLDBOD asem so asame jamfi ene me pese me bona baso sei ne ye pese ye chichire oman o oman chichire ne se adwuma bi a ye de ahye wo nsa no wo be make sure se wo ye ne yie na nanu meka che o se sa GOLDBOD no ene de same jamfi yewra John Mahama de nam same jamfi so ye no se omumo mani kɔ hɔ a Ghana ye nhia se be kɔ akɔgye bosia ye nhia sa de no because sika wa ha na ye be kyerɛw emre bi ye wa ha think me ni Eugene ye be kyerɛw sika nko a Ghana na wa ha ne ye wi akɔkwa a ne ntimi interest ansa ne aba same jamfi de no so ye the statistics ne ba be kyerɛw nti na me makacho se unhia uyo man a uyo man panyi a na we serious a unhia bosia sika ne wa ha enkofo wie sika ne firi omu kro mu kɔ baabi ubetimi a tracy na wagye usika back and you be okay me ma statistics kakra yuji mo mama so nko a na afi ento aso me ma statistics kakra before say GOLDBOD ne beba no na NDC ni MPP me ka NDC ni MPP a yewra John Ajekum Kofo yewra John Mahama in fact be shall say from 2013 because that was time na gold ni galamsey nyoma na shall say ni TAP na hwe sika from that time ni e wie free o man yimu na ekɔ so I'm so glad to say yewra John Mahama asua bibia every na no de na o ye ya na enye no na say aba. The first one in ye. The kind fuck 2013 the mami. Yensha same free horse and Niembra. Between 2013 and 2016, under John Dramani Mahama at that time, I watched 4-year report. Nienque sika, me chra kwanya in conforce we sikantin and mania J, the Sami Jemfi air yano. Nhyira FM. Yada yera John Mahama says one pamo Sami Jemfi. Because the Sami Jemfi yano. That man must be protected. Me do be 2013. That year, I watched 4-year report between 2013 and 2016. Me try according to that research. Si kankwa na nkofo wie free o manyimu. Me do back akranka. Me so expand the mommy. Na nkofo hu mpacho bra Facebook ye kire wade ye sua de. Se de be ya obetin nyoma na e konase. Me show the entire GOLDBOD no the yewra John Mahama diaba no the best. Eugene Boame was our statistics yeah pain but let's refresh people's mind. Yeah nana
sa data way I watch reported by investigation and a United Nations Conference on Trade and Development and Ghana Bank of Ghana and a year research no in a 99 say suspicion bi wo ho and an away John Mahama phase 1 Inti echiro say GOLDBOD no de ba phase 2 no e bibi nti no de ba na na ba ku ni na na nyom hu nyina ne say nye wo PMMC na na ono ne the only na no where the commission say ashri and a saying of gold ono penny company wotimi to gold eton
precious minerals
commission now abe metamorphose ay GOLDBOD no
right
2013 a PMMC na na do mu ne say according to United Nations and the Bank of Ghana research ne say omo peke Ghana baby edi gold ne kokese pa 3 major countries no na first omo ko India between 2013 and 2016 no Ghana book so no omo ko PMMC a sa 4 years no 2013 14 15 16 gold ya ton ko India no ye book mu no e 3.6 billion dollars
but yo behwe bi odi ye head of research here no bra Facebook ye kan see a de e kan ye gold hu twadi a Ghana fortuna man crofo bi hwiaye na ye the GOLDBOD na ba no hu de ntia this GOLDBOD no e the best and the head of research Eugene say to emaye hu ne ye 2013 to 2016 sika na nkofo bi hwia
yes
and say me hwe we ya left the ane yede
na we India
okay
omo ye rese we ye UN adwumaku ne Bank of Ghana Mahama fees one na ekosu ne
okay
it's John Mahama hu so ohwe ne book mu PMMC a yes ya ton gold akọ India 3.6 billion na Ghana book mu
okay
bomu ko India so fo no ko show mu book mu a omo zum se gold ma to free Ghana na 4.9 billion
mentiase
na etie nie Ghana ewo trading countries or ton gold ma wom
to say India full ma be
yes per the laws of Ghana PMMC is the only company or ton gold or not to no aton we dia mo man no
yeah
na ye book mu no 4 years no ye ni India dwedie gold nsam no ye say ye ton 3.6 billion
ne say uba Ghana die mu
Bank of Ghana documents bibia 3.6 billion
okay
and ye ko India
okay
say musu book no say na mato wo he ho
okay
na no say 4.9 billion there's a difference of 1.3 billion e wona GOLDBOD ne be mu no smuggling next na one country in 4 years ya share 1.3 billion dollars
Ghana book no ye 3.6
yes
but India book mu no 4.9
na wo ni India ni di dwuma ye ni di book ba hena na abaji ne di
because India
wo lesson na so busa ho sa Ghana ni a ye nyenim ye se na ye ne yeman na ye de book nyina ba hena de na abaji adi
yanko UAE nso
na ko UAE a Dubai ene ade no
okay 2013 to 2016
2013 to 2016 4 years
okay
ye book mu no ye nya 4.3 billion
ye Ghana book ma ya tro
ne ya ton no ye se ne ya ton no 4.3 billion
okay
ye ko India UAE won so ko mu book ma na nom de ne 4.8 billion difference of 5.8 billion
enu nie
it's a difference of 1.5 billion
into 2013 2016 no
yes
Ghana book mu no
yes
ya tro 4.3 billion hu dwede
gold
but uko UAE a omun krata mu kire say
5.8 billion
omun ne Ghana dwede ne 5.8
yes and I want 1.5 billion India no you lose 1.3 and between UAE and India nko no you lose ni IMF de brain say 1.3 1.5 na na say 2.8 billion IMF say no buy 3 billion 600 5
and I'm who Switzerland
na na enko Switzerland e won de ha kodwobu befu
hey
Switzerland no ye book mu no na 3.3 billion
3.3 billion
ye call Switzerland no 6.9 billion it's na omo de no kra de ne ye tro Ghana no e less than 50%
de we ye nkratam se ne Switzerland
na 3.3 okabo mienu akoko ese 6.6 bom book mu ne 6.9 it's less than 50%. It's say just na ya buya bre yesu ya chemienu to omo to be 48% no record them ayen and then one kwano ye lose 3.6 billion it's na 2.8 billion plus 3.6 billion you lose almost 6 point something billion in 4 years next na annually averagely no a year bia you lose close to 1.4 billion
of gold
IMF tranches na 3 years on my saying 3 billion into na utimi block sa de we ya IMF fire den and the conditionalities
you call the other one so quickly now famra quickly you call the other ones now when year a report between 2013 and 2016
yes
let's do with the 2017 kwade no 2016 kwade
yes
2016 year no kwade no and also ewo ho na hesika ya
Nana Eugene a year walking. They say smuggling and namasi omodia acquire intimian capture. Unim say when they omodi good in acquire, they are supposed to pay 3% on it, withholding tax for Ghana. Yeah, lose and from what Eugene is saying, 6.4 billion. Say you calculate here, we've lost close to about $193 million
from tax.
Just tax, no day, no. Yeah, really.
Nana,
Nana, brilliant point. Akokwango no de ba no nana PMMC no say wo koton gold na ana we nana a middleman ne ade a omo taxes bi omo jejeje.
Yeah.
Now if they are not going through PMMC, nana what it means is that PMMC is also losing revenue.
Yeah. Because PMMC crowd is 0.5%.
Yes.
Which omo no budget for the institution itself. It is a wenya. So let me find even 0.5% of it. Which
nana so hu entino o sha gold board na no mutimi ye ni yie no musu di ni kra mo ho a it will really help us to cure some of these things.
Yeah,
it will cure these things. It's a brilliant point. I say cocoa board gold board ni anya say cocoa board to curb smuggling, to make sure that there's a single authority as how they go through on. I quite say. Sure. And a brilliant than 6 points. You know, can extrapolate here. Bet me could do 6.5 billion. Actually. Now, because you need to go through PMMC. If you don't go through taxes, as I was, you know, oh, yeah. And I'm unim.
Good. Now, this is the other one. And we 2016 alone. 2016 alone, no. You see, apart from 2013 to 2016, no. 2016 alone, Nukra under John Dramani Mahama, Ghana lose $7 billion in their books. And apart from between 2013 2016, now you lose 6 point something.
Yeah.
2016 alone, Nkwa year non kwa.
Yeah.
Sika yitimi wie from Maima year huno was 7 billion.
Yeah. And yes, Katwa.
Yeah. And Sana na Kufado dear neighbor. Quickly, Yan Fana Kufado dear. Tina Kufado dear, but no, yeah, first meet the press.
Yeah.
And I go to who jadi.
Yeah.
Nti ye
now Eugene, as we were saying, PMMC almost edie 0.5% so munya from I mean the sales, you know. Next and combine $19.2 million for the PMMC.
Yeah.
Na yenhwe sika aban edi free ye footroom edi bua PMMC so mo mfanya adwuma. Enka $19.2 million ye moa wo dollars o. But omoja mana smuggling a register.
Nana Akufo-Addo as of January 18, 2018. The President Akufo-Addo kai. And
I say President Nana Addo has reviewed about $5 billion were unaccounted for in gold export from Ghana to United Arab Emirates. Naneti. I'm just said Dr. Jones' sentence analysis. Nana say from Ghana to UAE, one country.
5 billion.
5 billion. Speaking during an interaction with the media yesterday, Wednesday, 17th January 2018, the president recorded that the senior minister on official visit to Dubai in UAE received some praise from people who said last year we recorded 7 billion worth of gold export from Ghana. Now, Netienne say 5 billion a year, and I'm so much 7 billion, and next year book me 2 billion.
Yeah.
Na no mass no. And we are UAE. O many aje, omo safuma from mo ya dio. This year, it gold and 7 billion at the man, my yard. Or Safuma for Bank of Ghana, book 2 billion, 5 billion, according to President Akufo-Addo.
And only where I got disappointed in the president. Or can we and one no
Nana is because says our time no. Nana, some major film example be. Na mentia sent me friend madam Nana yasu unim sa India for no na mo sa so matale no mo hye ne sa nana nieme ewum no. Nana nsia ye chibia nyinam. Omo na manana nieme ebu a Samsung phones yi or red or correct one no nyana unhu ne be ye ne hye omo ho. So they were proper nana say wan kokoo bi a beans a ye chia na omo de agu 4 gallons mu say oil omo brand na say oil cooking oil no. So the smugglers have a scheme. That is why you must pray the gold board must succeed. Based on this evidence. Nana dey fan the crash or dey 4 year lose 6 billion. Nana next every year, Omani lose 1.3, almost 1.4 billion dollars to that sector alone. Nana, one sector penunun, pick auditor general's report. Why would we need IMF? For the budget to mutum. fa we ko show book na nkran kan be yesei. We don't need it. Nana, the only thing so I catch us a medium Nana, let's know where the gold are coming from. So that they are not blood gold. See you come the so near the second leg of day fighting Galamsey no should also be there. Because Nana Indians and direct Romunia involved, but they are the financiers of these things. So we need to check. And Nana, we need to also make sure say Chiwama, we don't just deport them. We must make them face the laws of our country. Because Nana almost saying say we are no asa fetchra ye akoton. So Nana your biggest issue no corruption any leadership. And then America said there be a time in President John Mahama phase 2 now. Nana has a 25 economy baso. You see a lesson I will soon phase 1.
Yeah.
And I'm sharing a this way. Or say this John Mahama is a different John Mahama. Nana Osabe phase 1 ni build and can him go see any best because Nana 2013-20 we president report to Bro. Nana one country Switzerland and Kwa. Almost 3.6 billion Nhyira. Within 4 years, one country, one trading country. Nana only interesting. Where are 3 trading countries? So,
wait before Sobet was.
Yeah.
In 2013 alone.
Yeah.
Nana do Danko Kufuado. For me, to one who did John Mahama a failure. Nana Kufuado so by no. As of 2013,
2023.
Or say, yeah, for me committee to stop smuggling of gold. Committee.
While there are institutions, we should hold them accountable for
so at that time, say Ghana has been then the government official says the mining sector contribute approximately 41%, blah 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 blah. Okay, can for me committee because you see a lose $9 billion.
And then I see for Penya Kufado to form a committee in Israel say a problem are not a persist across governments. Nana what I say, any one government, a cross government. We are, and it's not because it's John Mama train or Nana John Mama train is to lose you and then Yanko Ponche.
Yeah.
Because Nana matching my kind documents. We are there, but when I'm thinking about it, and Ogusu or Kabian Kabeya reactionary near Manema. Banana is a PMMC, no, Omania, even a own tax force. To give them to the police idea. Nana import yan stop us idea na emwa. Because Nana a Jeff Fadok was say GOLDBOD contribute 41%. And Nana imagine say yet miss cable smuggling and maybe you could do 50%. 9% no. Nana, what it will do to the economy no? Significant. Significant. It's Nana blockers animal when you be. Na ja ye the 24-hour industrialization kan na no man zen Ghana yesen. Aman ketu abi. But krono dream ene keta sese. Na mesu be kum India fo be kum. Na ye mpanifo ya na yesen ne ma yo mukunya na show machi. Ube kum ese galamsey ya. So Nana, a beautiful GOLDBOD no is a master plan and the reason I don't imagine so dey no e good. You good. Omo start yard na no mun koso. Na e be make sure say if you fight against galamsey no omo yero mo ho. Na say muso na bo Dr. Hannah Bisi wabaso. Na wa yade. Ghana na bi nkoso mkan kwase asem na veterinary doctor na ade F akoye bi. Say F no na unya yi no results no physiology Nana omo yero mo ho because Nana makase galamsey no e existential. And no I free researcher na also so nim say obi de galamsey mercury gu adiem wo ayi abekwa ye betima dukumase because na masase na say it's important na some gen for yade na say since na me pen approach no we say no wajai kasa hyew ne yi no na utumu say refine no so ye press ko ba na no me hu ade bi na ade handless as wa bre no me hu ne yi Nana de opa video ni bi on press conference me ko hwe
stress
na so gina wono waye mre kakra
na stress o
nana bon home on home
me na home on say na djuma na wo hye no and John Mahama nim dey so because say djuma we no pressure no say wo dey akokora to a wan hwe asem be
the whole Ghana wona wo hwe say
gold so
regulator bibia be ko yie and nana oye fantastic job oye fantastic job
na pompa hye nkwa kutanko
nana say djuma no mu de nana fi zongo 7
hey
asomase zongo sanya ma nema mi say yana ya di kun
na nra me yam hye me kakra efa ayi bi a me hu ye on small scale mining you now chemicals in wasem is it only from eastern region bode banche ene no ma atudi a yetu no ayen sase su nyina de ba no lead
that's what you kai ache
lead no e wo hodada but nana they are saying that concentration no e kosoro tiu e kosoro
enti
ache banana e kosoro
ache
kosoro ebi abeka ho and I think that it just say
banana uni
it just say pennyfo like GOLDBOD na ba my regulations and I was happy that almost say foreigners into good and now becomes criminal where yechiwa prosecution ye be ne ha and it's one of the thing I mean some agency statements I was very happy say na okay say munja kabeka say ye de we have to because there is no law for that. I'm happy that now they have made it a criminal act.
So
you bet me prosecute you more. Yam prosecute you and this will deter omo ba report to be a wa de mame na between the period that ye kan ho asem chan China ni bia no oba no obeto to good or the biko India or the biko Arab countries ni ade na unim de oye oba na wabepe officials ni bi ewo de ode befa plane no airport no wabepe officials ni bi enso wo borders no na ono mo lazy nti oba no wabe man krofo sika
no mo twefam
enti omo no kwa they pass it through those offices enti your borders na ye porous Emma woman no kire say that was the trade na onemu ti obe man krofo sika omunya gold na no abeje na ne nkrofo na boa no wo borders no any airport for no atimi de ko
na kokwa aken na no kire say how can you smuggle na 3.6 billion worth of gold na even assistance your intelligence unit na no me weak
they are aware na so we are weak
ono omo na ye adwuma
a week
because na how can you smuggle 6 billion worth of gold through a system. Yes, yeah.
Obi na nhu tamti ma me ne honorable Akwasi Kunadu mi ankasa me member of parliament Nhyira North ye ba no aba be we